Standard 7th Social Science, Chapter number 7, India, Location, Border, Area and Physiography. After learning location, border and area, we have learned two parts of physiography, northern mountain ranges, plains and plateaus of India. Now today we are going to learn about coastal plains, archipelago, island and desert. First of all, coastal plains. The plains or land which are nearer the coastal lines are known as coastal plains. India is surrounded by sea on the three sides. The coastal plain is approximately 7,517 km long. It is made up of narrow plains. The ocean lies on one side of the coastal plain while the plateaus lies on the other. The region lying to east of Eastern Ghats is known as Eastern Coastal Plains, which includes fishing industries and cities like Chennai, Puducherry, Machilipatnam and Vishakhapatnam are well-known ports located on eastern coastal plains. The region lying on Western Ghats is known as Western Coastal Plains. It is narrower than Eastern Coastal Plains and has black fertile soil with alluvium deposits which is helpful for the growth of the crops. Therefore, agriculture and transportation industries are increasing rapidly. The western coastal plains is renowned by transportation service and fishing industry. The main ports at Western Ghats are Mumbai, Kandla, Mangaluru, Calicut and Thiruvananthapuram in these sites. Next is archipelagos or islands. The piece of land smaller than a continent and it is surrounded by water on all the sides is known as island. And the group of islands is known as archipelago. Lakshadweep Island is situated in Arabian Sea towards the west of India. And Andaman Nicobar Islands are situated in Bay of Bengal towards the east of India. These are the islands which are located in India. Next is desert. Deserts of Rajasthan lies on the west of Aravalli mountain ranges. That means Ran. The soil here is sandy and climate is dry and unbearable. It receives less than 20 centimeter of annual rainfall and due to the scarcity of water and unavailability of basic necessity, the population is very less. Date palms and karwas pulled by camels are seen in this region. But the northern Rajasthan is being irrigated through Satluj river via Indira Canal. This canal has succeeded turn the area fertile and favorable for agriculture growth. The Ran of Kutch differs from the desert of Rajasthan. The Ran of Kutch is divided in two parts, Big Ran and Small Ran. The soil of Kutch is highly saline. It appears as if the desert is covered with a white sheet, that means salt. This is the only desert of its kind in this world. Here we are completing our 7th chapter. You have to complete this chapter in your workbook as well as in your map book. Thank you.